So welcome to my channel if it's your first time tuning in, and welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So today I'm gonna show you how I achieve these triangle braids, so stay tuned. So we're gonna use the expression braid to braid it up. I did use 3.5 packs of hair to achieve this style, and this is some itch relief oil, and I'm using it to oil the scalp of her hair. Okay, you gotta moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. I cut the hair in two, and I'm stretching the hair to make some ends at the end because this hair wasn't pre-stretched, so I have to stretch it to make ends, so when you plait the hair it doesn't unravel. It have a little end to it, so that's what I'm doing, stretching it. Oh my god, I put so much oil in her hair, it's running all over her face. Wow. So just pre-stretch the hair. So now I put on some Let's Jam on the hair, extra hold, and I just apply it to the scalp to just smoothen the hair so the braids will look neat, or the plaits, whatever you call it. So what I did, I fold the hair over each other and make like a a knot to plait it in, and you should also stretch the hair to the desired length that you would like to achieve. And I plait the hair in. When I'm plaiting the hair in, I try to tuck her hair underneath the braids. Like by holding her hair, I'm tucking it under. Just look at it. I'm just tucking her hair underneath the braid so the braid would not show. So now I'm gonna show you how I achieve the look by tucking the hair underneath the braid. So now I'm just jamming the hair to let it have a nice little hole and look very neat. And you know, I have to stretch the hair because these hair does not have any end. So that's what I'm doing. I'm stretching the hair, and then I'm gonna plait in the braid right now. So just look, and I hope you guys. So now I'm gonna be showing you how I tuck the ear under so you don't see her natural hair sticking out through the braid. I kindly take her hair and I wrap it underneath the braided hair so you can't really see her hair still, like see right there. And I'm just gonna stick it under her hair. I'm gonna stick it under the braided hair, I should say. Just look, you will understand what I mean. And by looking at the braid, you can see that her hair is not showing. It is fully hidden inside of the braid and not showing. And that's a good way to do the braid so your hair doesn't get frizzy as easily. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Very nice way to braid hair. So now I gotta run for my toothbrush. This is my toothbrush for doing my hair, that I brush in the hair and make sure all the little rolls get in the braids. And now I'm gonna braid it up, and this is gonna look real nice. Okay. So I'm gonna show you other braid which is much clearer of how to catch the method of hiding your natural hair underneath the braid. So I'm gonna go zoom in closer to the hair so I could show you a better up close video of how I braid the hair. So look. Just look at it and you will definitely get it. So as I'm plaiting the hair, I'm tucking her hair under the braid. See, I'm just tucking it under the braid and I plait as I go along. And you just keep doing it till you don't have any more hair to tuck. And I'm for sure it's gonna look very nice and neat. So I have to get my scissors and trim up these frizzes that's sticking out. So the hair is finally finished. I say finally. I think our hair took me 4 hours to achieve this look. And now I'm going in on the hair to trim up the excess hair that is sticking out, because remember, this hair wasn't pre-stretched. So you gotta go in and snip, snip, snip up some of these crazy hair that's don't want to stay into the braid and make it look real neat and nice. So to seal the braids, you need hot water. So you gotta dip the end of the hair in hot water to seal the braid. And you gotta be very careful with this because this is steaming hot water. Very hot. So now you're gonna need your mousse to put on the hair. Crazy me here, a good song I have to start to dance. And finally, the oil sheen. Spray up the hair with some oil sheen, and I went over again with my scissors just to make sure I get all the snip off the hair. And I'm not cutting her hair, I'm only cutting the braiding here. And if you guys want to see more braiding tutorial, let me know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more videos.